In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with other people's video on Facebook without showing your face. But firstly, before we start, I would like to welcome you to Growbetanet. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azmin, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to get notification to watch the video. So many people has been like, bro, Azmin, and I would like to make money on Facebook with other people's video, but I don't like showing my face on social media. Right, so that's the reason why I decided to make this video, to teach you guys how you can actually make money with other people's video without showing your face. Right, so this pattern I want to teach you guys is something I have been using on YouTube for years now, and I've been using it to make money on YouTube, and I know that if it can work on YouTube, it can also work on Facebook. Right, this my channel right here is 13,000 subscribers. This is the same pattern I have been using in this channel, and as you can see the video right here, this is the kind of thing I'm doing. I'm using people's video and I'm not showing my face in it. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys, and all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, because if you miss anything, it might contradict everything that you've watched. So if you start watching this video, make sure that you watch it from beginning to the end so that you'll be able to catch up everything I'm going to be showing you, because I'll be taking everything step by step. All you need to do is to make sure you stick with me, as I'm going to be taking it from the first step to the last step. So guys, step number one is finding your clip. What do I mean by finding your clip? Finding your clip actually means like finding the particular video you want to work on, right? In my own niche, I'm into entertainment gist, right? All I do is to move around Instagram and Google News to find videos that is actually trending, right? So once I get the video, I'll get to re-edit, then publish on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I find my own clip, right? So if you want to go into gist or entertainment gist, see, you need to follow these blogs I'm going to be mentioning: Tunde Ednot, Linda EKG's Instablog, Gossip Mail, Not Just Okay, and several others, right? And also you can actually use Google News. You can find trending news there because they publish new trending news every time. What is important as you publish trending gist is that it helps you to gain views, right? Because if you publish a news when the news is still fresh, people are still searching for it, right? Many people will be searching for it on Facebook, and as they are searching for it on Facebook, they will get to see your own videos. Even without search, let's assume that that particular topic is trending and people are actually looking for the clip, right? Facebook, due to because you made a video about that particular trending topic, Facebook will be bringing your video to people who have interest in that particular thing. That's why it's important that if you are in this niche, that you should make sure that you create things that is trending at the moment. So go to Instablog, go to Linda EKG, go to Gossip Me. They post news that is trending at that moment. So guys, I would like you guys to follow me to the other side of the screen, as I'm going to be looking for a particular clip we're going to be using in this particular video, because I would like to select a clip and edit the clip from beginning to the end, and I want you guys to watch me do everything. So see you guys on the other side of the screen, as we're going to be looking for a clip that we're going to be editing in this particular video. Thank you. So guys, follow me to Instagram. Let's go and look for a particular news we're going to be doing right here. So I'm going to be opening my Instagram. So wow, see this particular news right here. I think that's what we're going to be doing. This particular news has been trending, but let's just take a look and see anything else. Okay, this one is trending also, because why I would have loved to do this one, but because it is not a video, right? It will be difficult for you guys for now, but maybe later I will try to make a video on that, because as you can see this here right now, you can see this particular thing, Davido versus Fina, the thing has been trending, and if you open another place again, you must still see it again. Let's go and look for other blogs. You still see it. I see it here, then you see it here, right? Davido and Fina. So this is how you find trending gist. You can see right here, this is what is trending currently right now. You can see right here. So it's important that you come to Instagram. You can see right here, so different blogs are publishing this. So it's important you come to Instagram. So that's where you can actually see things that are trending. So this video has been trending, and I think this is what we are going to be remaking right now. I think the police say they are already looking for the man that is shooting. So I will download this video and I'm going to be analyzing this particular video. So what really happened in this video is that they reopened Ladipo market, right? And I don't know the man that carries AK-47 and was shooting, right? I don't know whether he's a security man, and the video just went viral, and because of that, police is now looking for the man that was shooting in the video. So I would like to make a video on that. So how do you download your video? How you download your video is that you just need to come and click on this particular icon right here. Once you click on it, you will see copy right here. So click on copy, then you come to your browser and type Instagram downloader right here. So then you can select the first one. Is the first one is okay, then paste that link that you copied inside, then click on download. Then you close the ad, then come right here and click on download. Okay, it's not the image, so I think we need all this image. Why this thing is like this is because they flip different slides in this thing. But if it was only one video, you just click on download. But right now you need to be downloading them one after the other, right? So let me just quickly download the video, then on my own I can download other ones. So I just click on the video right now, it will see download, then you download. As you can see, the video is downloading already. So the same thing, if you want to download the picture, you just need to come and click on download on the picture and download the picture, right? So that's it. So this is how to find your clip, guys. So guys, the next step is understanding the story. So basically we're going to be doing voiceover under this clip, and before you guys to do voiceover or analyze the story, you need to understand the story, either by reading comments to know how the story started, or you make further research to understand how the story started and why the thing is happening at the first place. So you need to make sure that you understand what you're doing. So after you have understood the story, what you're going to be doing is either you record the thing offhand or you write it down, then record. So but what I do basically is that I normally write down the story, then I will now be reading from there to the editing app, right? Because whenever I'm doing anything, I always like to make sure that it's perfect, you know. So that's the reason why I like writing down my script first, then read it down in the app. So in this particular editing we're going to be doing in this video, I've already written down the story that we just downloaded the clip on Instagram. So I'll be moving to the editing platform where I'm going to be doing the voiceover and also do the editings we are going to be doing in this video. So I would like to see you guys on the other side of the screen. Let's go and edit this video. So guys, let's go and edit this video now, right? So you know the app I normally use to edit is InShot. You just need to open InShot. Once you open InShot, then you go to video, then in video, then firstly you import that your video, right? So you got to import the video, right? So because we are editing for Facebook, you need to go to canvas to change the ratio to 4.5 to gain this particular ratio, and you click OK, then go to crop, then crop the video so that it will fit into the ratio, right? So just need to crop it. So after we crop it, I think like this is okay, right? So the next thing you're going to be doing is that you are going to play this video at least for 30 seconds is more, at least for 10 seconds, right? Then you cut it, then continue with the voiceover. So I'm going to be playing this video now. So here is 10 seconds. So I'll cut it off. Once I cut it off, and what I will do is that I'm going to delete the clip off. So once I delete the clip, I will import a picture. So I will import a picture. So here is a picture. So once I import this picture, what you need to do is that you need to expand it, because you are going to be recording voiceover on it, right? So you need to expand it for some minutes. I think, let me say 1 minute plus is okay. So for this one I want to do, but in your own, I don't know how long you want your story to be, so you need to expand it much the way you want it. So what I'll be doing right here is that I will now go to music. Then once I get to music, you see record right here. I'll be recording what I have already written down. So I'll be recording it now. So I need to click on OK. So once I click on record, then I start. Okay guys, you're welcome to Growbetanet. The video you just watched has been trending on social media as a man was seen firing AK-47 in public where people are gathering. Once you finish recording, you just need to click OK, right? So I finished recording and I just clicked OK. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be editing this voiceover, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing next. So we just need to go through this voiceover now and I start. Okay guys, you're welcome to Growbetanet. The video you just watched has been trending on social media as a man was seen firing AK-47 in public where people are gathering. So right here, I made a mistake right here. So I need to correct the mistake. So how do I do that? I need to select the voiceover, then play again to know where the mistake started. In firing AK-47 in public where people in public. So here, then I'll just need to split where people are gathering. So where people are gathering to where people are gathering to select. So this is where the correction started. So I need to now select this mistake, then delete it off, right? And you know, from this beginning right here is also mistake. So I need to split it off here, then delete this two as well, then push it back, then push this one close again, then listing again. The reopening of Ladipo market. This video has had several reactions as people reacted in several ways. This got, you see, I made a mistake here as well, so I need to split. This caught police attention and the following. This caught police attention and following the. So I think this is where I need to split again, then bring it back. Caught police attention and following their tweet, they assured that they are going to fish out the man. So guys, what do you think about this video? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Once you finish editing the voiceover, the next thing you're going to be doing is that you are going to be using PIP, right, this time around. But before you do that, this is the end of the clip, so you need to just click OK, then split off and delete the picture, the remaining picture. Then we need to go to the beginning of here, right, then import PIP, which is that video, right, that same video. Then you just need to import it right here. Once you import it, then the next thing you need to do is to crop it again, right, to fit in. Once you crop it to fit in, then you just need to click on here and it will fill this place, right? So then as this video will be playing, your voice will be narrating, right? So what we need to do right away is that you need to reduce the volume of the video so that the video will not have any volume, so that only your voice will now be playing in the background. And there are also some magic we still need to do, but let's keep going. So just listen to what we just did now. Okay guys, you're welcome to Growbetanet. The video you just watched has been trending on social media as a man was seen firing AK-47 in public where people are gathering to celebrate the reopening of Ladipo market. This video has had several reactions as people reacted in several ways. This caught police attention. So you see, when it reached to the side that I said police, this got police attention. That's where I now bring the tweet that police tweeted, right? So what I would need to do is to go to PIP again, right? Then go to picture and look for the tweet. Here is the tweet that police tweeted. So I need to put it in again, then right here, so that when I'm talking about the police issue, their tweet will now show there, right? So this is how we're going to be doing it, right? So ways. This caught police attention and following their tweet, they assured that they are going to fish out the man. So guys, what do you think about this video? What I said there is, what do you think about this video? But what I was supposed to say is, please watch this video and tell me what you think about it, right? So once you talk that at the end of your voiceover, you just need to import the video again, right? Import the video again. Once you import the video again, you will need to go to speed, right? Then put the speed to like 10, right? Once you create the speed, then you just need to count for like for some times. You don't need to watch everything. You don't need to find the area that is, look for the area that has the highest drama, right? So here is the clip, and you see this place where the man is the where the story is, where he carried this gun. That's where the main story. So you just need to allow it to play a little bit. Make sure that is only the place that is the action, right? You allow it to play a little bit, then split off others and delete. Then you now click on this plus right here. Once you click on it, you enter blank, then click on drop your opinion. Drop your opinion in the comment section. What we call this is a call to action, right? Once they watch this video and see drop your opinion in the comment section, they will now rush to the comment section to type whatever they want. And the more they keep typing and you are responding to them, it gives your video opportunity to go viral, right? So it's very, very important that you put this call to action. So after you put this call to action, the next thing you need to do is that you need to go to music, right? To add music on the background. But I don't think, if you're following me, I made a video on how to get a video on Facebook sound library, right? So you need to make sure you get your video in Facebook library so that you won't get striked, right? So it's very, very important, right? So to import your music, you just need to click on music right here, click on import, then come and click on import here, click on file, right? Then you can go and look for the music you want to import anywhere. You can find it in your phone and just click it like this again, then click on guys, use, then instantly, right? You can see then the music is imported. So that's it. You don't need to do any other thing. The only thing you need to do is to put your this thing, to put your handle by going to test. Once you come to test, you put at Growbeta, right? As you can see right here. So once you put at Growbeta, you need to tap at the end of the test, then select video end, and you see the test will be, you reach at the end of the video, right? So that's just it. And I don't think there is any other thing special you need to do here, unless maybe you want to add different colors to it, and you just need to come to filter, then go to filter, then change the color the way you want it. So I think the way the color is okay, right? So once you've done this, you will see that you added value to this video, and once you post it on Facebook, you don't have any issue with it. You are going to be monetizing the video straight up. Facebook will not question you. There won't be any copyright because you added a great value to the video. So this is how to do it. And after you've edited, you don't need to come up right here and click on this icon and click on save, and the video will start saving just that way. So guys, here is the video we just edited. You can check it out. Okay guys, you're welcome to Growbeta. The video you just watched has been trending on social media as a man was seen firing AK-47 in public where people are gathering to celebrate the reopening of Ladipo Market. This video has stirred several reactions. So how do you see it? Hope you love it, right? In case after watching this video and you still want to learn more on how to edit these reaction videos, you can actually register for my class with the WhatsApp number showing on the screen. And also I made a course titled how to make money on Facebook with other people's video. If you're interested and you want to buy the course, you can also chat me up with the WhatsApp number in the screen. Once you chat me up, I will tell you what to do to get this course or to register for the class. So guys, here is where I'll be bringing this video to an end, and I know that you guys learned something from this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video like this one you just watch, you'll be among the first people to get a notification and watch the video, right? And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you for sharing, and you can also help us to share this video so that other people will get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you for watching the video from beginning to the end, and remain blessed.